So guys, we are going to practice if and and function. If and if comma and mistake and. Okay, right now we are going to practice here is equal to if and both functions should be both conditions should be true, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. Because if any one condition will work, then we should apply or. Okay, for because as we say that uh, we should this choose this one or that one, means any one or for anyone. So if any one condition will meet, then we will should apply or, and if both condition is fulfilling, then we should apply and. Okay, so like if and after selecting if, we have to write a and the end. Okay, then again bracket, then what is the condition? Age should be 50 and one more, and the outcome should be pass. There is two condition. Age should be 50. Age age it should be 50. Age should be greater than 50, and it should be greater than 50, and outcome should be pass. Then only he will get 1000 bonus, otherwise he will not get, otherwise he will get 0. So how it could be? We are going to apply the formula here, like is equal to Golu. So is equal to if select, then a and d and then open bracket again, logical 1 means what logic we are going to apply. Age should be greater than 50, so select age greater than 50. There is one condition, and we have to apply again one more condition, because we are using and for and we have to apply two conditions, and both should be true. Then if both should be true, then only they will get 1000, otherwise no one is going to get 1000, they will get 0 only. So comma, like outcome is pass, then we should select this is equal to outcome should be pass. And whenever we write any text, whenever we will write any kind of text, we should use double quotation, that is called double pass, pass, close the double quotation. And so there is a condition, age should be greater than 50 and outcome should be pass. Outcome should be pass, then only he will get 1000. So welcome back to my channel, okay, guys. And in today's video, we are going to practice Excel means if here I think this condition are not meeting, not fulfilling, both are not fulfilling, like it should be not
If you are interested, then
greater than 50 and outcome should be not pass, then what will happen? Then it should be
so guys,
0.
okay, today we are
And
going to learn
bracket.
about and practice about if.
So
And
it's
all about
bracket
if,
are closed, and
don't have to apply.
if you are not going to learn if, just
then
enter
you are
and it will start working. start
You
double
are
clicking,
what do you
and
say that
no
you
one
are
is
you
getting.
don't have any knowledge about Excel and Power BI.
Like
This is
here,
about
guys.
learning if, because if is the main function in Excel or yeah you can say, because after a while after
Here the condition is
class,
meeting,
whenever you start
like
working or
age is
learning
greater than
any
50,
functions,
and
then you have to
pass
apply any
outcome
kind
is
of
pass, so
condition,
he is
and
getting
when any kind
1000.
of
So
condition
he is getting
will come,
1000.
you must have
And
to use
others who are not fulfilling
so
the
it
condition
is the
getting zero.
most
So
important
that's how
function
we
you
have to
must,
practice. We have to
anyone
learn
must
n
have
function.
learned this
We have learned
function
today
if.
if,
So let's
in
get started
numerical,
now without
and
any
nested if,
delay.
and if with n.
Okay,
So guys, practice it. Don't forget to practice. And
keep
as
learning,
I
keep
am
signing
new
on
on
my
the only
laptop
way
to
to
record my videos, so I don't have so much ideas.
so if you are getting any kind of
Grow in your career. Thank you
difficulties,
guys. Bye.
related my voice or videos, so guys don't mind. After some while it will be okay, all the things. So I'm working on that. Later, very soon it will be fine. So just keep learning, keep signing. I keep sharing related data analytics videos, Power BI's, Excel. Later on I will start on other subjects. So just keep learning without thinking second thought. You just have to keep your one pace ahead. So as you are watching that, here is the name. This is the heading name. We will have to, there is, oh, yeah, we will have to make a table like this. You will have to click here, just make its boundary bold, and here we have created. And after pressing control and scroll down, you it will be zoom in and zoom out, scroll up and scroll down if you are do. So guys, we are going to work on here bonus. Suppose, and it's all about if function. So I am here typing here if. How it will work, let's see. Like here is the name Susmatik Devans and all others name, all they are available. Here is age, and here is outcome. Okay, it's normal for learning purpose. I have created this uh, table, so don't think much about that, just for learning purpose of if function. Like if there is a one condition, that if any person have the age, any person has the age should be greater than 50, greater than, age should be greater than 50, and pass, then only, age should be greater than 50 and outcome should be pass, and then only they will get 1000 bonus, and others will not get anything, zero. Okay, so this is a condition. If any person has age greater than 50 and outcome pass, then only he will get 1000 bonus and others will not get anything. So how will we apply if function? As it's a condition, if agar if he will get the age greater than 15 only, then he will, and one more condition, if he will be passed, then only he will get 1000. It's a condition, so you will have to apply in your mind. Whenever you get any kind of condition, then you must have to use if function. Like if age, agar, in Hindi agar, if age greater than 50, if age is greater than 50 and other condition is he should be pass also, then only he will get 1000. Then how we will apply the if function, the condition, then we will get the result on every rows. Okay, this is called rows, this is called column. Horizontal is one is column, and this one is vertical is, this is called row. 1 2 3, and abcd is column. Okay, so let's we practice the formula. Is equal to, if we will have to type if, here it is showing the function, you will have to click to get better result. And if you, yeah, so we will have to write here, and you don't want to type the formula uh, earlier, then what should you do? After opening the bracket, after is equal to if and open bracket, you just have to click fx. Okay, and then you will have to here apply the argument what it is needed, like if logical test, enter here value if true, value if false. What we have to choose here? Age. If age greater than, we have to select age column like 56, d6 is there, d6 we have, d6 is the age like 56, so we have select age. Age should be greater than 50. Okay, should be greater than 50, and comma, and yeah, first we will apply this one, then he will get 1000, otherwise he will not get anything. Okay, then apply okay, and you have to drag it or double click. Are you watching guys? This one, who has more than 50 is, he is only getting 1000. This is 50, not greater than 50, this is only equal to 50, and we have said greater than 50, so it is 0. Okay, this is also 48, less than 50, 50, and 71 greater than 50, so he has got 1000, and 35 is less than 50, so this is not 40. Last, this one is the formula 1 number condition, and second one is about nested if. We have to apply double if. Okay, nested if means more than one if, more than one condition. What I have told you that if the age is greater than 50, and it should be pass also, he he has to pass also, then only he will get like I'm writing here two number. If the person's age is great, age is greater than 50, greater than 50, then age should be greater than 50, and then he will get 1000. And if the age is, and if the age is equal to 40, then he will get 500. Okay, there is two condition. Age should be greater than 50, then he will get 1000, and if age greater equal to 40, then he will get 500, and others will get 0. Okay, so how will we apply the formula? It should be like here, is equal to, if we have to select from here if, then there will be no chances of mistake. And here is the function is showing here guys, we have to select from here, we have to work after watching here, logical test, asking logical test. What is the logical test? So logical test is age. What is the logic we are going to apply? Age should be greater than 50. Then we have to select age, okay, greater than 50. Age greater than 50. Then he will get is equal to then he will get 1000, okay, comma. Now this bracket will be deleted. Again we have to apply one more condition, that is age should be equal to 40. Then he will get 500. If anyone has age 40, then we have to apply once again if value if if age, again if age is equal to 40, then he will get 500, okay, comma 0. Then if value is false, for false we have to apply 0, and then bracket close. For one person here is one bracket, and we have to write 1000 from after double bracket. Let's see why it is not working in double bracket, double quote. I'm also practicing, guys, so don't mind if I make mistake, because I'm also learning. And while practicing, while learning, I keep sharing that it will be helpful for others. That is the reason I keep sharing. So let's see whether it is working or not. Oh my god, I am writing here. I don't have to write formula here. Okay, after reading here, I am going to control X, and then here control V. Then why it is showing false? I'm trying to apply again, guys. If is equal to if age should be greater than less than should be greater than 50, comma, then he will get 1000, comma, value if false we are not going to write, because we have to apply other condition, and we will have to apply if function again. So we don't have to write value if false. Again we are going to apply if function, like if if here is showing, we have to select from here. If again age, okay, then uh, greater than, no, it now we are going to write if age should be equal to 40, okay, then comma, value if true, if it value if age will be 40, then what will be happen? We will get we will give 500 bonus. Okay, then if both condition is not meeting, not fulfilling, then they will get nothing, zero. Okay, so now we have to close the bracket here, like here the one bracket, for this bracket we have closed one, and for this one we have to close one more bracket here, and then enter. Wow, has it is working, guys. So you just have to double click, and are you watching, guys? Here one person is uh, less than less than 40, so he is getting 500, but I have written there 40 is equal to 40. He will also get 500. Why it is saying here 1000? I think it is taking like less than. So guys, if the formula will work like that, you just have to apply like that. When we use more than one if function in one formula, that is called nested if, and we have to apply like this, that if condition is greater than, then he will get, and again if function, and then the formula will be like that, then he will get, another will got zero. So like that it is happening. It is called nested if formula. And one more formula I am going to practice, that is called if and end, with if and end. If like I'm telling you is equal to if if okay, then with if and a and d, whenever we apply f and function, it should be, and means when we concatenate, means when we add two functions, then we should apply, when we add two sentence, then we use and, as we have studied earlier that we use and to add the two sentence. Okay, so what should we do to use if and, I'm telling you. So it would be like it should be meet two conditions true, and there both will be both conditions should be true, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. And because we use and for both condition, two condition, like if anyone has age 50 and he would also should be pass, then only he will get 1000, otherwise he will not get. Okay, so here we are going to apply